Hi, welcome to Walton Vale Community Shop. I'm Helen, and today I'd like to talk to you about family food cooking. Stay tuned and I'll bring you a recipe. Today's recipe is courgette fritters. The ingredients are 2 eggs, half a small onion, half a courgette, 2 tablespoons of grated carrot, oil and salt and pepper to taste. We start by grating the vegetables and place in the bowl. Grate the carrot. The carrots add some lovely colours to this recipe. Add the carrots to the bowl. Grate the courgette. Add the courgette to the bowl. Take 2 eggs and gently beat. Add the eggs to the vegetables. Add a little bit of salt and pepper. Give it a good mix together. Add a small amount of oil to the pan. Add a large tablespoon of the mixture to the pan. And gently fry for about 2 minutes each side. One of the reasons I wanted to do this recipe is that we get lots of courgettes, but no one actually knows what to do with them. So I thought I'd do a video just to show what you could do with your courgettes. Another great way of using them is to add them to a tomato sauce while you're making meatballs or bolognese. Fry each side for approximately 2 minutes. Once it's cooked, serve with salad.